500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute. That becomes 7.2 lakhs hours of videos uploaded every day. The videos uploaded to YouTube every day takes about 82 years to watch. So technically, you can never completely watch all the videos on YouTube. Being the second most popular search engine and the second largest social platform after Facebook, YouTube's viewers watch about a billion hours of videos every single day. This platform has about 2.3 billion active users per month. Hello guys, welcome to DTells. This is D. Here we will try to tell you everything we learn in details. Before beginning this video, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Everybody uses YouTube. It has been a big part of our lives. We rely on YouTube for education to cooking, financial advices and life lessons. If YouTube has so many videos on board, so many creators making a living out of it, how big it might be. YouTube is present in over 100 countries with 80 plus languages. YouTube was started in 2005 by three PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, Javed Karim. The first ever video was Me at the Zoo featuring Javed Karim. This video went viral and now YouTube has roughly over 27 billion videos. This is mind-boggling. Later, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion, which is still considered a massive amount on a startup. But this is one of the smartest choices of the decades. YouTube was featured by the Time magazine in its Person of the Year edition magazine. Before Size Gangnam Style, YouTube had a 32-bit maximum count limit, which is about roughly 2 billion and more. After the song reached the limits, YouTube changed it to 64-bit. Now its limit is more than 9 quintillion, which are over 18 zeros after 9. Now, Baby Shark Dance Kids video is the highest viewed video with over 8.44 billion views. Despacito still remains the most liked video on YouTube with 43.9 million likes. The most disliked video remains YouTube's own YouTube Rewind 2018 with 19 plus million dislikes. Sadak 2 trailer stands at the second. T-Series is the highest subscribed channel with 183 million subscribers. A 9-year-old toy reviewer, Ryan Kaji, earning over $30 million, which is the highest on YouTube. $19.7 billion was the YouTube's 2020's revenue, which constitutes 6% of Google's total revenue. YouTube has over 37 million active channels. To bring in more context, 79% of internet users have a YouTube account. 62% of the businesses use YouTube as a content sharing platform for their marketing. According to some research, YouTube has almost 10 exabytes of data, which is roughly 18 zeros after 10. YouTube server systems are so complicated. YouTube stores the videos with lesser views only on its local servers, but the videos with more and more number of views are stored in multiple copies on its global servers. An advertisement by a multinational company takes very less time to load because it's present on most of its servers. But a local video with less number of views takes hell lot of a time to load. Now, the time when 4K video streaming is increasing exponentially, YouTube's database is also growing exponentially. We can compare the YouTube's database to the Moore's law. According to Moore's law, number of transistors per silicon chip doubles every year, which is an exponential curve. This can also be applied on YouTube. YouTube's database is also growing exponentially too fast. So, the platform having crazy to hear numbers, unimaginable stats is a part of everybody's day-to-day life. 8 of 10 internet users use YouTube and they are aged between 18 to 49. YouTube is the platform where students develop their skills more than college, educate themselves for free, study for exams for free, follow the trends for free, entertainment, music for free. So, as YouTube says, enjoy the videos and music you love, upload original content and share it with all your friends, family, and the world on YouTube. So, that was all for this video. If you like the video, amazed by such big numbers, do share and like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents like this. Let's meet at the next one. Until then, bye.